How's it going, guys? We got the Athletic Brewing Company in the house. We got the single hop IPA. This is the Wai'iti. That's New Zealand hops. They have New Zealand kind of has a different way about it. It's like, think Sauv Blancs and grapefruit flavors. Sometimes they say like cat urine. We're about to find out. It just came out. Super stoked about it. There it is. Nice. There's some fruity aromas to it. I would say like maybe like a ripe nectarine. There's some of that fruitiness to it. Maybe a melon. Just a little musty. Let's see what we got. Yeah, the melon is coming again, like a honeydew, like a lighter melon. Delicious, really good. It tastes light and straw, but it also has got like melon and fruit. Oh, there's something else in there. What is that? Oh, it's like floral, like a certain kind of flower though, like a chamomile. Like a chamomile, and what flower is like a chamomile? I'm probably going to put it like right over here somewhere. Lilac? A little bit of lime. Ooh, creamy. There's like a little creamy hit. It's like, what's that fruit that's really creamy and it's like really awkward and it's got this crazy texture to it? Soursop. It's like a soursop. Because it's like fruit, cream, coconut water. Because it's not like full coconut. So it's like grassy coconut water, soursop, straw. It's like a, you can tell, I don't got my glass with me, but it's like, what color is it? It's like that color. I don't know if you can see it with the light over there, but we're at Ocean Beach, guys. Look at that. Look at that boat over there. It's huge. It's in the 𝗕𝗲𝗵𝗹𝗲𝘁𝗶. This is definitely, oh man, it's just, there's nothing like it. 9.4, easy, with confidence. This beer is freaking delicious. Josh, an alcoholic? What? Is that hop like on my palate? I made me talk like that. Josh, a non-alcoholic. That's the ocean. That's the beach. And I swear that's going to be my cafe. We'll see you on the next No Booze Reviews. Wai'iti. How are you doing today?